Hi guys, it's been a minute and this probably is kind of creepy looking, but I haven't been able to make any videos, kind of in a rush as it is right now. Had a lot of people at home, it's been summertime, daughter works from home, grandson, yada yada, whatever. So I have two new little cuties in my nursery, and I just thought that I would do quick blanket reveals because I was not able to do box openings. I just thought it would be fun to show the new two cuties in my nursery. So I will go with who I got first and who I got second. So this is who I got first. Oh, I put her blanket upside down. That's okay. So she is tall. Look at these legs. Oh, let me take her socks off. I've kind of had socks on just to kind of protect her feet. So she has little skinned knees, these cute little toes, and I love her hands. Very expressive, and her little fingertips are so pink. And here she is. She's a cute one. I have looked at this kit so many times and have wanted one. She is Fritzi, I think. It's all in different language. Fritzi, she's 1098. I wrote under it because it's so faded, out of 1333. Karola Wegerich. But, oh, I don't have her artist. Maybe I'll have to remember to put that in. I found her on reborns.com. She had a little hat on and I could see her hair sticking out from under it, and she has freckles. I love freckles. And her lashes, I've got them kind of wet a couple times, and I start thinking that they look better, but they kind of got mashed on their way here because she came from Sweden. And this isn't the outfit she came in. She came in a cute little like romper thing, and she had a little sun hat on, but she has this red hair that's got some blonde in it, blondish reddish colors, pinky, not really pink, but golden. When I first got her, I thought her hair texture is so strange. I thought it maybe was like real hair, and I went back to the artist page and it just said rooted hair. So I started looking at other dolls she had, and there was some that had the same, it looked exactly the same colors, and it said no, I want to say polyester. Anyway, it's not real hair, of course, not of course, but it's not real hair. It's like doll hair, I would think. It's not like mohair or anything like that. So it's been kind of weird and different, but it lays really flat. She has like rooted, kind of has a rooted part, but she has the little bangs, and she's really fun. She came not weighted at all, and I've put some weight in her body, and I was going to put weight in her arms and her legs, and I've just been enjoying her just kind of floppy and not super heavy. She's not super light, but yeah, she has the straight legs. And love Fritzi. Her artist named her Amy Beth, and I was kind of looking at different names to change her, and Amy Beth is just kind of stuck. I think it's cute. It has Amy, and Beth, especially Beth, has a lot of good meaning to it, so I've just kept her that, little Bethy. So that's my first little reborn that I've gotten in the last little while. Look at those knees, I love them. And then over here is the second one, and if I do like a reveal like you do a normal reborn, it would be really weird, but maybe we'll just start at the bottom anyway. So here's his feet. And aren't they cute? I love him. The first time I saw him for sale, and I found him on Etsy of all places. I haven't had good experiences on Etsy with reborns before, and I love this artist. I love his feet, And here's his hands. I don't know if many people have seen him. I hadn't. Here's his little guy that came with him, his little goblin. Here's his other hand. He has these thick arms. He's actually a pretty big baby. And here is his face. Oops. Isn't he adorable? He has rooted lashes and these bright eyes, and look at those ears. And his hair is so fun. It's kind of messy right now because I laid him down. It gets kind of tangled easily, but for the look of it, it's actually kind of fun. So isn't he cute? This is an outfit that came with him, not the one that was on him. It was such a wonderful box opening. I wish I would have been able to make a video because it was so fun. All the little outfits that he came with were wrapped so cute. He was wrapped so cute, and he came with this little blue blanket. It was so fun. So here he is Benny. I think he's a matador, sculpted by Jodie Lombardo. He's an enchanted creature kit. Does it have his artist? Peg Spencer. Peg's Petal Pushers, Reborn Nursery. She has so many fun babies on Etsy and also on eBay. So, but I changed his name from Benny to Fable, and I'm in love. I am in love. I love these ears, and he's so solid. He has so much weight to him, and I just love the feet. I don't know. It was so weird. I saw him, and I was just like, oh, I love him, and I want to get him. So these are the things that he came with. He came with this little goblin guy. This is the outfit that was on him. And he's so cute in that. Another little sailor outfit. This little overall piece. And then this sweater outfit that has a little hat. The little balls. All of them are, this was 0 to 3 months. So he's not like long, like Amy Beth is long, but he's like thick. And also this little outfit came with him too. It's just a one piece little, has a hippo. Oh, and he came with a passive clip. I can hear someone coming. That has been the story of summertime. Just a second, okay? And I came with the little pass. Just a minute, I'll be out in a sec. Okay, just a sec. But anyway, those are my two newest little kiddos. I've had a lot of fun with her too, and I think I know that I usually really love heavy babies, but she's been kind of fun to she's just kind of light. Like I said, I put weight in her body, and then he's super heavy, especially around his little thick booty. But that's them. So I just wanted to share because it's been a minute. I sold probably half of my reborn collection for a full body silicone that is actually done being painted, but waiting on new eyes because I didn't like the eyes that she had put in her. So I thought with all of the money that I spent and all of the babies that I had to sell to get her, plus money on top that I had to save, that I wanted her to look just like I was hoping she would look. So hopefully when her new eyes come, she will be everything I wanted, and then we'll have a box opening of her soon. And I have a couple other little things in the works, so I hope you've all been doing well. Just a sec, buddy. Hope you've all had a good summer. Summer's coming to an end. School's starting. I shouldn't be rude and say yay, but it will be fun to have routine, but I still won't have the house to myself all day because, as I said, my daughter now works from home too. So busy, but still have babies coming, going, and enjoying. So I hope you've all been doing well, and I've missed you guys so much, and hopefully somehow I can get back to doing things and saying hi. So hope you're all doing well. See you again soon. Love you guys. Bye.